Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Wave Accounting. Wave Accounting is a free and user-friendly accounting software designed for small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. It offers an easy way to manage finances without spending a lot. It offers everything you need to keep your books organized, like income and expense tracking, invoicing, receipt scanning, bank connection, and financial reporting all in one place. One of the biggest advantages of Wave is that it's completely free to use for accounting and invoicing, which is perfect for business on a tight budget. You can easily create and send professional invoices, track payments, and set up automatic reminders. Wave also lets you connect your bank account to import transactions automatically, saving you time on manual data entry. Another useful feature is the ability to scan receipts on your phone and upload them to your account. For those who want to take it a step further, Wave offers affordable paid services like payroll and payment processing. The dashboard is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly even if you have no accounting experience. You get useful insight through reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. Everything is cloud-based, so you can access your data anytime, anywhere. Plus, you don't have to worry about data security, as Wave uses bank-level encryption to protect your info. Whether you're a solo freelancer, a consultant, or a small team, Wave makes it easy to stay on top of your finances without hiring an accountant. Its automating features, clean interface, and real-time reporting help you focus more on running your business. Overall, Wave is a reliable, all-in-one accounting solution that delivers great value at zero cost. It's perfect for those looking for a simple yet powerful tool to manage their business finances with ease. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.